So where are we going today? Well, there's what they call Phichit Lotus Garden is at the kind of back end, as I call it, of Bueng Si Fai, which is the huge lake here in Phichit. I've asked those that I know if they've ever been and is there anything exciting to see there, and nobody seems to know about it. I find these places by looking on Google Earth, and looking at this place from Google Earth, if you get to 100 meters or so, which is about the distance I fly at, it could be a good view. I think today is going to be a bit of a recce. It is hot now, it's cooling. It doesn't feel so cool on the doesn't feel so hot, sorry, on a motorbike. And this is also a test. I've lowered the decibels on my microphone and put a kind of windsock over it. It's underneath the visor of the helmet now. I haven't gone any quicker than 45 kilometers an hour at the moment. I can afford to go out behind this bus here because I'm going off to take a U-turn. I'm going to go through Bueng Si Fai, where I went last week. And, let's go down the bottom here. Stony crap goes into sand, or there is, by the looks of it. Look, just past this yellow bin, there is a way out. Not ideal, but a beautiful tarmac road all the same. Well, this is something I haven't seen before, look. This is wonderful. This will be a morning out sooner or later. They've got a bit of a boardwalk going on here. Is it still being made? Is it safe? I would suggest it's safe. Arguably one of the most beautiful spots in the province, if not the most beautiful spot in the province. A beautiful corner for a motorbike. Another jetty boardwalk construction going out to the lake so you can get a good look at the lotus flowers. There are other big lotus lakes in Thailand, and you get tourists going along and renting, hiring long-tail boats to go out. I wonder how long it'll be before you can rent a long-tail boat here and take out. So I'm about to turn left up here, which takes me down the road onto the kind of island. I don't know if there's any security or any gates to say it's open, closed, or any more, but this tarmac road continues. Ah, and there we go, it's shut. I came at the wrong time. They are closed for the night. Not really wanting to do a piece to camera, but you can just get an idea of the hopefully the sun